Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change your gender in Roblox. To change your gender in Roblox, you can easily do it in just a few simple steps. First of all, open the Roblox app on your device and log into your account. From the home page, tap on the three-dot menu at the bottom right where it says More. And this will open up several other options from where you'll need to tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Account Info. Once you open up Account Info section, you will be able to see the gender option. Simply swipe to that. The gender option is optional, so if you want to change that, you can do so. If you want to leave it as it is, you can do so as well. Simply tap on your gender and then the changes will be saved automatically. Changing your gender in the settings will not alter your avatar's appearance. To customize your avatar's look, you'll need to proceed to the next steps. To customize your avatar's look, you'll need to do it separately. So that's how you can easily change your gender in Roblox application using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.